Hi there traders, this video will be devoted to such a popular topic, namely how to evaluate the potential of your trades and how to place take profit wisely and optimize your profit. Subscribe for our Telegram channel where we post free signals to work out useful articles, educational videos and more. If you want to become a professional trader, visit our website and figure out how to join our community, where our students master their trading through consistent practical lessons and trading diary check with the feedback. When you join the community, you go through the video course. This video course represents theoretical base. Then you pass a test to check your theoretical knowledge, with further limitless practical lessons in Discord server held every week. It's impossible to make your trading profitable alone. Join the team of professionals where you will level up your skills with no limits in time. So on what aspects the potential of our trades depends? Many traders do not know. First, let's list all the factors. Watch this video till the end and you will be able to operate with all factors to evaluate potential on different trades in optimal way. First of all, what we should really take a look at is a market stage. There are three stages of the market. Bull run, as we see now, flat market, the market that is moving in a range, and the long downfall or bearish market. All these three stages correspond to different potential, regardless the types of trade, regardless the strategies. Some stage decrease your potentials, some stage increase your potential. Let's compare the potentials of breakouts on bearish and bullish markets. This is an example of breakout on bullish market 2020, and as you see, this is absolutely insane movement. When BTC was assaulting record highs, the potential is very high and we fix partially by the market because we don't know where is the real potential of this trade. But in fact, we can orient on daily highs or previous extremes. This is an example of breakout on bearish market and flat market. In this case, we are so accurate that start fixing from 0.5, 0.6 or 8 and 1% of movement because market uncertainty is very high. As you see, the movements are greedy, so we should adopt. We place limit orders in advance, as you see. Another quite greedy movement on Tomo USDT, as you see, the movement is really small. But anyway, we adapt to this movement and we got the profit. We just took about 1.5% of movement and that's all. Because on this stage, the potentials of such movements are extremely low. Next factor, instrument activity. By the way, under any circumstances, I do not recommend to trade inactive crypto instruments. Never. Why? Because when the instrument is inactive, it's easily manipulated. The price doesn't respect formations, levels, patterns, and so on. Because any trader with a moderate capital, not so huge capital, and huge leverage can really affect the price. So we always trade only active instruments. To track active instruments, we just use cryptocurrency screener from CSCalp. It's absolutely easy to use. Here we have special section volatility and we watch only the instruments with a nether in 5 minutes column with more than 2%, sometimes more than 1.8%. But ideally, when the instrument shows you more than 2% volatility in 5 minutes, this instrument is active enough and you can trade it. So if your instrument was active enough when you opened a position, but then the activity decreased, don't hesitate to go break even or at least fix your most part of
the profit. Because when a capital leaving an instrument and it decreases the potential, because there are very few participants who will probably push the price to general targets, extremums, strong levels, and so on. There are very few traders who really want it. But when the instrument is active enough, for example, what we should search? If the instrument is active, we're usually searching for the following potentials. Renewing of previous maximums. For example, here we have a maximum. The instrument is extremely active. The nether is very high. So it means that many traders will probably push the price to renew this high. This is how volatile instruments really work. As well, we have cascade levels. It means that a lot of liquidity situated above these levels, above these cascade levels. As well, we can have targets in order book, because we trade working with order book. We can search different aims inside this order book. It could be huge limit orders. For example, we are going to break these levels and how to get the end potential. For example, we have huge limit orders on this price level 0.64, and on 0.64 we have huge limit orders. Let's imagine a pile of huge limit orders. So what potential do we have? We break this level, we grab the liquidity above these cascade levels, and our fixation limit orders will be on this way, on the way of the price, and final take profit will be around this level where huge limit orders are situated. Because huge densities of limit orders that usually perceived by participants as resistance, and there are many take profits are placed. That's why probably most traders, most participants will be fixing there, and this will lead to reverse of the price. Of course, you can search the entry point for pullback in this area, but this is another story. Finally, always watch two main factors: BTC behavior and Yhis background. Both factors shouldn't contradict your position direction. Always trend along the BTC movement and then Yhis background. What I mean, if the BTC is showing such a picture that is gonna assault a new highs, it's trading in a trend, the volumes are rising, finally everything is talking about the upcoming breakout. So we should logically find only long setups. If the BTC is correcting, it's going down, and potential is very huge, we shouldn't trade long position. We should mostly find short setups. I usually prefer watching news on investing.com. While we have 3 stars news release, we usually don't trade, or if we have negative news for the crypto market, we shouldn't trade long position. When we have positive news, we should trade long position and don't trade short position. Always do everything along the trend, along the BTC, and along the news background. I hope this piece of advice will help you to optimize your potentials in your every trade, and I wish you good profits. See you soon.